If AI just follows code, how does my brain figure out what's right or wrong?
Great question. Your sense of right and wrong develops as your brain learns to balance emotion, logic, memory, and empathy over time. And, in an AI-driven world where machines can calculate faster than us, moral reasoning becomes one of the most powerful human advantages we have. So, stay until the end, because we will explore how your brain builds ethics step by step, and how that wiring can shape your future leadership, career, and character.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. Moral reasoning is the skill of thinking carefully about what is fair, kind, responsible, and wise before you act. 2. In an AI world where algorithms make suggestions and decisions, humans must still choose what is ethical and humane. 3. The people who will lead in the future, whether as engineers, doctors, designers, or entrepreneurs, will be those who combine intelligence with strong moral judgment.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Number 1, the prefrontal cortex helps you pause, think ahead, and weigh consequences, while the amygdala reacts quickly to emotion, and moral maturity means learning to let thinking guide feeling. Number 2, the hippocampus stores memories of past choices, and dopamine circuits reward behaviors that feel good, so repeated ethical decisions slowly become more natural through neuroplasticity. Number 3, the default mode network helps you imagine other people's perspectives, and when you practice empathy, you strengthen the brain pathways that support fairness and compassion.
How does this show up in real life?
Great question. 1. Imagine a 3-frame cartoon where a student sees a chance to cheat. The amygdala says take it, but the prefrontal cortex pauses and asks what kind of person do you want to become. 2. In friendships and online spaces, technology can amplify rumors or cruelty, and moral reasoning helps you choose long-term trust over short-term attention. 3. In future careers like AI engineer, psychiatrist, policymaker, or entrepreneur, ethical thinking determines whether your skills help people flourish or harm them quietly.
So, small equals big?
Yes. 1. Think of moral reasoning like a muscle. Every small honest decision is a repetition that strengthens it. 2. Those repetitions become brain wiring through neuroplasticity, and wiring becomes character that others can trust. 3. Over time that character becomes career strength, because leaders who combine skill and integrity rise above those who only chase speed or profit.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Before a decision, picture a stop sign in your mind and ask what are the long-term consequences of this choice. Step 2. Notice what you are feeling, whether fear, pressure, or pride, and let the feeling inform you without controlling you. Step 3. Choose one small action today that reflects honesty or kindness, and repeat it daily until it feels like part of who you are.
What should we do today?
1. Choose one decision today where you slow down for 5 seconds before responding. 2. Explain your reasoning out loud to a parent or friend, so your brain practices ethical thinking clearly. 3. Repeat this pause and explain habit for 1 week, and notice how your confidence and clarity grow. Remember, your brain becomes what you practice most consistently. Small ethical choices today strengthen neural circuits that shape tomorrow's leadership. In the AI age, your moral reasoning may become your greatest competitive advantage. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.